In this video, I'm going to show you how we can connect the boya mic to the Acer laptop. This is my Acer laptop and I have one boya mic. So I will show you this whole process steps in this video. So in boya mic, you can see there is a one camera option and another one is a smartphone or off option. First of all, you just have to change this option into the camera mode. So while changing into the camera mode, you must have to insert the battery. But when you use the smartphone option, you don't need battery. But when you connect to the laptop, you just need to change it to the camera mode and install the battery. After this process, I will show you from the laptop. Insert the mic and just choose mic in option and click on the OK option. After choosing mic in option, so you can see the volume option here, or you can see the sound option. Just right click here and after right click you can see the sounds option. Just click on the sounds option and after you can see here is a recording option and just you can see the microphone option. Just click on the microphone and after clicking in the microphone option you can see the configure option. Just choose the configure option. After choosing the configure option you can see the desktop mode and the another option is microphone. Just click there and after that you just have to choose the second option and just click on the next option and after clicking next again click on the next option and just you just have to read this. Okay, Peter detected to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers to it pen and paper. After reading this you can use your mic. So now you can use your mic in your laptop. So guys, this is the end of this video and in this way you can use this boya mic into your into the laptop. So if you get any confusion you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to solve the problem. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.